with that dog. Good luck.
No, the other
Change it. I don't like color of the name. Change it, baby. Come on. Yay. That's the crazy time. Woohoo. We can go crazy. Let's go. Welcome, ladies and gents. Let's go. Well, go for it. Choose your lucky flopper, guys. Oh, thank you, Sergio. So, green, blue, or yellow. So a lot of you are falling for the blue one. Max multiply 100x. Woo, let's go. Double it is. Let's make everything 2 times bigger. Max multiply now 200x. Let's push the button. Let's go. Woo! Another double, baby. That's amazing. Let's go. Jeanette still as goddess as ever. Thank you, Jakes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, guys. Woo. Max multiply 400x. Bounty. Come on, honey. Push the button. Yes. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's a 4. 5,527 winners wins the QDemo, your last round top 3 champions. Yes, congratulations to the winners. You're in. Wish you good luck with the dead dog. Good luck.
No, the other
Thank you for having me back, darling. Hello, guys. Nice to meet you right there. Enter the crazy time, Jeanette. So we're going. Woo! 10 with a 25. Let's go for it. Here we go, guys. This is what I like. 10 with a 25. There's a 10. There's a 10. Okay, baby. Come up, baby. But not too fast, not too fast. Oh, yes! We did it! Oh, my goodness, everyone. We did it. 25x on the number 10, so 250. Yes! This is how we're rolling. 504,000.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.